But Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver is joining us. And Tyler, we're starting off talking about the gas prices because some people might notice that they're a little bit lower than they normally are at about this time of year.
Yeah, you know what, if you go to gasbuddy.com, they've been calculating the numbers compared with previous Canada Day long weekends. And on average, Canadians are paying less than they were over the last 7 years. Right now, the average across the country is $1.04 per liter at the pump. But if British Columbians are saying, well, that seems a little low, you're not wrong. In BC, we're kind of getting shafted here with regards to these low prices. Just the numbers out this morning show that the average in British Columbia is at $1.19.2 per liter. In Vancouver, it's even worse. The average, actually the lowest price you can find in all of Vancouver right now is at $1.24.9. So it's not great to be in British Columbia right now. The fact of the matter is we don't have the refinery capacity, but I always get a little antsy when people want to directly tie oil prices to what they see at the pump. It's a very complex thing. It doesn't actually add up all the time. But the fact of the matter is you can still be patriotic. I just wouldn't go on a big, long road trip unless you're starting in Alberta. There you're going to get very good gas prices this time of year.
Absolutely. But, as we heard from Caitlin, the ferries are busy, the borders are busy. A lot of people may be a little happy to find out the Canadian dollar's a little bit higher. We've had a very strong week. What's at play here?
You know, this is all very surprising to any economist or any foreign exchange analyst that you would speak to. Just 2 weeks ago, people were predicting that the loonie would go as low as, say, even 69 cents this year. Right now, as you said, Sonia, it's trading at over 77 cents US. And this has everybody just looking at what the Bank of Canada is going to do during its next monetary policy announcement next month. Because, of course, Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz, he's been making very hawkish comments this week about whether or not interest rates have done all they can at their very low levels. At this point, we have GDP numbers out this morning, which actually boosted the Canadian dollar's performance. It closed just under 77 cents yesterday. It's now trading above 77 cents today. So its GDP growth is at 0.2%. But essentially, if the Bank of Canada goes forward with a rate hike, it'll be the first one in 7 years, and that'll actually boost the Canadian dollar even further. So that's what traders are responding to this morning, is the potential for the Canadian dollar to go up even more than what we're seeing right now.
All right. Thanks so much for the background. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver joining us this morning. Have a great weekend.
You too. Thanks.